Today is the 6th of August, and we have had something very interesting happening in the last couple of days. Let's start looking from the position that we had. So the position that we took was on the 25th of July. So going back to the 25th of July, which is somewhere here, it was Nifty was at 24,300, and that's the reason we took a 24,300 short straddle. As you can see here, in the first initial stage, we took the 24,300 C and P. We took that after the market had kind of touched the bottom from the 19th of July. So from the 19th of July, the market fell, and then we kind of reached the bottom on the 25th. So we said, things have stabilized or stopped now. It's going up again. So we took the 24,300 as per our strategy on a Thursday. And then what happened after that is from the 25th of July, so from 24,300, the market nearly touched a high of 25,000, which is 700 points in a space of just 4 days. And you had the 2 days, the weekend in between. So in 2 days' time, the market shot up 700 points. And then it started consolidating a little bit from there to the 1st of August. So we continued to do a lot of adjustments because the market was consolidating, and we thought at that point in time the market had moved up, so the news around the world was not bad. It was only at the Indian stock market, and there was always the thought that the market can go higher with the kind of money that's flowing in. So we continued to adjust the position until Friday. The Friday was the 2nd of Friday. So until then, when we did check on Friday, we had brought down a loss of around minus 60k to minus 30k during Friday lunchtime India time. And then what happened? This was Friday, I think. That's Friday when the market opened, and then it stabilized a little bit when it went up here, and the loss was around minus 30k on the position, and then that is what has happened. See, this is what is happening now. So the market has fallen down completely, and it's come back to the 24,003. In fact, it's touched 24 yesterday on the Monday, the 5th August, and it's recovered a little bit. But the market is, we'll now look at what is happening to the market. So that's regarding the position that I wanted to speak initially. Now looking at the market, so the market has fallen down 600 points, that is close to 3% on Friday, and also I think it fell close to 2%. So that's a 5% fall in a period of 2 days, this 2nd August and 5th August. And it also went up 3% on the 25th of July within 2 days. So the market has been, this is an example of how volatile markets are to what we saw in the last 1 month when everything was calm. So as of the 5th of August closing, so Nifty has lost 600 points, Bank Nifty is kind of okay, 1,200 points, but that's also been following the Nifty trend. Now the most important thing for the option seller that turns against an option seller is this cannot act like this, right? The India VIX, that means there's so much fear in the market now that people are selling things left, right and center, and that is when the VIX shoot up. When VIX shoots up 42%, that's some that great bad event that's happening around the world for the stock market. As you can see here, even the 2nd of August, Friday, it shot up to around only 13, and then it closed. Yeah, it closed at 13. It went to a level of 11 and closed. And from Friday, when the Monday market opens, if the VIX goes up by 15% and then continues to go up, and then during the day it gained another 21%, that's just crazy. Option sellers cannot defend their positions at all if the VIX shoots up like this. So that is what happened. So coming back to our position, it's at a loss of minus 2 lakhs as of now. There's still a couple of days to go. 6th August, the market has not opened yet. So 8th August, and it's minus 2 lakhs. What we did was we took a call and then closed the position yesterday after half an hour after the open, when market was falling. We took a call and then we closed at minus 146k. So that's where we took a loss and we closed. Now, what has not helped the market? The last week, the US inflation reading came out. So market thinks US is going to be in a recession. But that should have been fine with a couple of statements between the inflation predictors and the Fed predictors. We could have managed the position if that was the only news. But then there was geopolitical tension, Iran and Israel. And then to top it all, the yen trade. So that's one big thing that's going on around. The stock markets have always adjusted themselves to whatever hike in interest rates and whatever has happened in the world, the markets have survived. But the week or 10 days when such news comes is always bad, and that is this week that we are going through. The last thing that also has affected our position is from the 20th of June till this 25th of July, a month, we made good profits. And then we increased our position sizing to 15. So we were doing a position size of 7 or 10. And then we increased it to 15 because we thought that's the best way to now slowly increase our position size. So all this has happened in the same week, and we booked a loss of around minus 146. We'll see this position. I think today, when I'm looking at the news on the 6th of August, it says Tokyo stocks surge more than 10% after a record fall. But yesterday Nifty has fallen though. The Nifty, not the Dow, and the S&P Nasdaq has lost 3% yesterday night. But then today the Tokyo market, the yen market has surged 10% after a record fall. So maybe we will also recover in the Nifty then, So 24,000, even if we recover, I don't know how much of it will recover, but we can't afford to take more losses because this can go on and take away all our money. So that is where we are, a very, very happening week, or 10 days I should say, from the 25th of July till now. And we'll continue to take, we have not taken any fresh position, thankfully. Because the market was so volatile and we kind of knew something was coming. So that way it's just, so our slate is clean. This position also has been closed. We'll wait for things to settle down and then get cracking again. Okay. Thank you.